Alright, everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I'm going to do a little whiteboard demonstration because I don't have a blueprint off the top of my phone, and I also didn't get a video at the end of the day. So I'm just going to draw this out for you guys a little bit. So if you guys remember, in one of the sections of the building we've been working in, there's a really long hallway followed by like a bunch of elevators. One elevator, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 elevators. I'm not sure. Anyways, been working, and then there's another stairwell over here. That's not really how stairs look. So anyways, we were working on taking out some fire alarm, back on some fire alarm demo this week. I think we're going to try to keep it easy around the holidays to prevent accidents or anything like that. Maybe, I'm not sure. So we started on demoing some of the fire alarm again. There's a door right here. So this is kind of more over here. There's a door right there. It swings. And then, yeah, there's like an area right there. So anyways, this is what we're working with right here. So we worked upstairs on the 6th floor and the 5th floor. So upstairs on the 6th floor, we did, I think we took out a duct detector down the hallway down here and the other stairwell up here. There's another door right here going into another stairwell right there. So upstairs on the 6th floor, we took out a duct detector, I believe. And then there was, in the hallway, you remember the XTRIDs or XTRIRs. So we went to the electrical room, which is right there. And there's a panel right here on the wall. So we basically pulled out this wire that was in the old junction boxes in the old XTRIs. So we pulled that wire out to like a junction box, and then that went like over to this panel. And so we basically just pulled out this old wire upstairs on the 6th floor. And once we finished that, that was basically all we had left on the 6th floor. Basically went downstairs on the 5th floor, started over, and there's another junction box over here for the old XTRIRs, whatever they're called. So went ahead and started pulling that wire out, which usually follows the same path of straight out into the elevator lobby, and then it goes over about 4 ceiling tiles, which is about 8 feet, and then another 7 ceiling tiles, which is about 14 feet, and then there's a corner right here. There's another hallway that goes this way. And then there's like bathrooms right here. Anyways, turns the corner a little bit. There was another junction box here. I don't know why there's so many junction boxes. There's another junction box here. And then this was actually part of the hallway. So this is not quite to scale. So this was like part of the hallway right here. So that's kind of like that. Anyways, this went right into the door mag box, and then it went down the hallway. But my drawing is terrible, so this is a straight shot. But oh, my picture sucks. But anyways, here's the electrical room again. This is still in the hallway, but you get the idea. So the hallway's here and the stairs are over here. And this is a dead marker because I left the cap off for too long. So got the wire pulled back from this stairwell all the way back through here, through the door TRIs, and then basically once we got through the doors, that's kind of where we left off at the end of the day. There's another junction box right on the other side of the doors right here. There's some doors. Yeah, that marker's trash. So we pulled the wire back to this box right here, and the wire's just sitting in here right now. And then we'll continue taking the wire out tomorrow down the hallway back to the panel once again, which is clearly before the stairs. Anyways, the panel's like down here, the hallway. Panel's down there. That marker sucks. So the panel is down here on the wall, and then the stairs are like over here. And then that other device is on the wall right there. So that's where we got today. Give you guys a little picture or a little video of all the wire that we took out of the ceiling, all the boxes, all of the flex and stuff like that, all the remainders of stuff that we demoed out of the ceiling today. But that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. I'll get some footage for you guys tomorrow. Got like I said, early morning for a fire alarm inspection over like all this stuff with the fire alarm guy. I don't know, but that's at 5 in the morning. So gonna get there about like 4:45 or something like that, 4:40. And that's gonna wrap it up, guys. Hopefully this made sense. Just taking out some old wire. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Help out the channel. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do uploads or live streams. Just did a live stream for the first time in probably a month. So if you guys want to be notified when I do live streams, hit that notification bell. If not, no worries. That's going to do it. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Stay safe and happy holidays. Peace.